For 5 years, we have watched the competition release folding phones, crazy camera zooms, and experimental designs. And for 5 years, Apple has given us slightly better cameras and a new color option. The tech world started calling Apple safe, even boring. But if the supply chain leaks I got my hands on this morning are true, the boring era officially ends in spring 2026. Today, we aren't just talking about a new iPad. We're talking about the single most aggressive product roadmap Tim Cook has ever approved. This event isn't an update. It's a reset. Let's break down the leaks. Let's address the elephant in the room. The reason you clicked on this video, the foldable iPhone. We know it's coming in 2026, but the new leak isn't that it folds. The leak is how it folds. According to reports from display manufacturers in Korea, Apple has secured a patent for a hybrid glass polymer screen that doesn't just minimize the crease. It effectively eliminates it after 24 hours of use. Think about that. Samsung had a 5-year head start. If Apple drops a crease-free phone on day one, that lead evaporates instantly. Leaks suggest they're calling it the iPhone Air Fold. It's aiming for ultra-thinness, sacrificing battery life slightly for sleekness. It's not a power user phone. It's a fashion statement designed to make standard iPhones look obsolete. But there is a catch, and it's a massive one. Price. The whispers are frightening. We're talking upwards of $1,800. Is the world ready for a $2,000 iPhone? Tell me in the comments right now. Would you pay that for zero crease? While the folding iPhone is stealing the headlines, something weirder is happening with the iPad lineup for this spring event. The iPad lineup is currently a mess. Nobody knows which one to buy. The 2026 leaks suggest Apple is finally fixing this by blurring the lines between iPad and MacBook. We are expecting the M5 chip in the iPad Pro, which is insane overkill for watching Netflix. Why? Because leaks suggest iPadOS 20, debuting at this event, will finally unlock a true desktop mode when docked. Apple has resisted touchscreen Macs for years. This new iPad Pro is their answer. It's not a tablet trying to be a computer anymore. It's a computer that happens to detach. Okay, not everyone has $2,000 for a folding phone, and Apple knows this. That's why the most important announcement for their bottom line might be this one. The long-awaited iPhone SE 4. The leaks are solid on this now. It's finally ditching the home button. It's essentially an iPhone 14 body with an A18 or A19 chip inside and USB-C. If Apple prices this at $499, they will completely destroy the mid-range Android market in the US and Europe. This is the gateway drug into the Apple ecosystem for the next generation. When you look at all these leaks together, the risky foldable, the laptop replacement iPad, the aggressive budget phone, you see a pattern. Apple is done playing defense. For the last few years, they've been protecting their massive market share. But 2026 is about offense. They are attacking new form factors and aggressive price points simultaneously. Is there a one more thing? There are faint rumors of an Apple TV gaming stick to compete with consoles, but I think they saved that for WWDC. The star of this show is the Fold. The 2026 spring event is going to be historical. Either Apple redefines the smartphone again, or they prove that they waited too long. I need to know your prediction. Is the foldable iPhone going to be a massive success or an overpriced disaster like the Vision Pro? Drop your hottest take in the comments below. I'll be replying to the craziest ones. Subscribe so you don't miss the live reaction when this event happens. Thanks for watching.